Good Tuesday morning. I'm meteorologist Ted Schmidt. Hazy sunshine. The same old story for us again, but this time a little warmer. We're waking up to something a little warmer already, and it's going to be more summer-like this afternoon. The wind will help, as will that sunshine, even though it is through a thin layer of haze aloft, about 11,000 feet off the ground. That blanket of haze from the wildfire smoke in the west coast, but nothing that will impact us at the ground level, just filtering the sun, making for some really strange-looking sky appearance in the mornings and afternoons, especially with that orangish sunset with a little orange disc in the sky. That's a kind of weird thing, but temperatures not being hurt by this very summer-like day. It's 60 right now, just a few minutes before 9 o'clock here on this early, mid-morning anyway, here this Tuesday morning, as we look at the possibility of low 80s, the warmest day of the week. Probably the last time we'll be in the 80s until maybe next week. It's not necessarily etched in stone that we start fall and we drop right off. I think we may still see some pretty warm days at times beyond the equinox. That is about a week away from now, but we are going to see at least a taste of fall before we get there, as we are going to see some cooler days after today. But so if you're into the 80s, today's your day to enjoy, because who knows when it comes back. But right now, hazy sunshine, 81 the expected high. Here's the day planner. Winds at times 15 to 25. Already we're beginning to see gusts in that range, but by late this morning and afternoon, gusts will at times reach 35 miles per hour. So pretty windy day, but that's how it goes this time of the year. Sometimes the warmest days are the windiest ones. We've reached that kind of tail end of summer where that is the case. But yeah, still a very summer-like day, and though still in many ways. Dew point just shy of 60, so not too muggy, but definitely September-like. Air pressure steady. Winds 14 miles per hour here in Rochester, and a dry, sun-filled, hazy day. 60 in Rochester, Northwood 64. 63 in Decorah. Satellite radar, just a few thin clouds to our north, but we're staying with the sunshine here. There is a cold front on its way. Again, that will be what comes through tomorrow. It means to shave off a few degrees from our weather picture today. Low 80s, tomorrow 70s. By the time we get to Thursday, we're, well, barely in the 60s. We do have at least a couple of days that will be much cooler, and I hesitate to say cold. I mean, it won't even be as cool as last week, so nothing we can't handle. But a couple of days very much on the more fall-like, cool side, Thursday and Friday. So future track looking at that approaching cold front ahead of it. There's a pressure gradient. In other words, the difference between the high pressure that is moving out the upcoming storm system and its cold front, that difference in air pressure creating a gradient, and so there's a wind that's rushing in ahead of that cold front on the gusty side up to 35 miles per hour today. The front moves through right around mid-morning tomorrow on 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Well, I suppose early morning, depending on your point of view, but midway between midnight and noon, but yeah, sometime early morning, I guess, around sunrise or slightly beyond that. But the winds will be fairly light. I mean, we're talking moderate breeze tomorrow during the day, 15, 18 miles per hour, so not nearly as windy as today, but that cool wind from the northwest beginning to draw on some cool air. Still managing 70s though, because we'll start warmer and we'll have that sunshine. Then high pressure comes in tomorrow night, a very cool night, only about 40, and then highs only around 60 on Thursday and Friday with sunshine under that high pressure. So it looks like a pretty decent stretch of weather, especially if you're into fall weather for at least a few days. So today, mostly sunny, windy, warm, winds at times 35 miles per hour out of the southwest, 80 in Preston, 81 Rochester, Mason City 82, with again a lot of haze, but not something that's going to impact our air quality, at least at ground level. Mainly clear, breezy, and mild tonight. Winds still in that 15 to 20 mile per hour range, 60 overnight, and then 73 tomorrow, partly sunny, just a few extra clouds along that front at times. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles per hour, and again Thursday, a cool day with around 60. Same deal Friday. Here's the 3-day weekend preview, Friday through Sunday, and rain chances kind of out of the picture until maybe at the earliest Sunday evening, or really Sunday night at this point. So the weekend looks dry for the most part, and a little milder, 60s to low 70s. Not unusual at all for this time of the year. And then even a sneak preview of next week, better chance of rain, isolated showers, perhaps a couple of thunderstorms on Monday, but still managing mid-70s. I'll be in the 70s for Tuesday, and really most of next week. If we have another day on the 7-day, it would be next Wednesday. That would be probably the only other rain chance I see next week. It would be Monday and Wednesday. Aside from that, we may go 7 to 10, 12 days without rain here with this mild, sunny spell of weather. In the meantime, enjoy the summer weather today. Hold on to your hats. It's going to be a windy one at times, but overall, not a bad day. And then if you're looking for something a little cooler, well, it's right around the corner. Have a great day, everybody.